David, a strange interview. We are not at the podium. We are close to the steward office. What happened?
Just an incident. Yeah, I think everyone saw it. Everyone understands what happened, knows. Not much that I can tell from my side. We're waiting for a steward's decision, and for now on, just waiting. Stay relaxed.
What we can say also is that Christian is really difficult to overtake. When he wants to close, he closes.
Yes, and this is. I like him as a driver, as a person, as everything. A lot of respect to him, but this is just not the way you drive the race. Unfortunately, yes.
In your opinion, he had to have another kind of driving style during the final?
Maybe, yes. Not that defending. Maybe he can defend, but not like this way. This is just years.
I want to speak with him now.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sure.
We will see
Yes.
what happened.